another vlog and another Bisaya vlog.
Yeah. So hayag mo siya gamay dahil gabo.
Fun.
So we're going to the airport because ang akong brother matog Manila amo silang dili day sila siya ro ako siya ihatod no. So nagdala man gud siya siyang van sa ilang kuan office. Ihatod sa namo ilang iyang van dito sa office nila and then dito ra sa dako siya kuan. And then ihatod din namo siya sa airport. Right, God?
Yes.
Oh yes, okay. Yeah, we're here at where Maniga? Where's the place? AS Fortuna. So we're near na no. I hope my brother is already there because it's 8 o'clock and his flight is I think it's 10 o'clock in the evening. So 8 o'clock today. So it's not the traffic anyway because today is Sunday and tomorrow is holiday because it's a Labor Day.
I'll drive the car. Steering wheels.
Yeah, so nagyod ni dire sa AS Fortuna. Okay. So that's Jollibee. This is asa naman ni bro? Intersection going na to
22,
Mandaue
21,
and also
20,
to First Bridge.
20, 90, 80, 70, 60.
Where are we nagam?
I don't
We're near
know.
na.
40,
Ha?
40, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ah! Go!
So we're near na. We're near the office of my brother. Pero pa man siya ayun, kalimot ko asa to again. You know where the office of Tito Radish? So amo sang we will wait lang for a few minutes siguro mo abot na to siya because I forgot going to their garage. So okay.
Tomorrow.
Gawas ako kay perting inita suits balay. I need to cool down. So I have to go to my client na pod obviously kay na napoy problema sa iyahang system. Tama na. It's so hot good. It's summertime. Grabe kainit. So, and timing sa my client called me kay na siya problema so I will visit him. I will visit her today. Ako tang kuyo ko na nagsika but dili man siya. He is so tired daw. Pero kung magatubang sa computer, bulagsi ko balik. Dagin ko. Oh my God. I don't know kung sakto ba na ang bata in town nagkapyot sa inahan nagsakay sila motor. I hope you can see that guys no kay tingnan ko ka focus niya padolta gamay may padolta kita ka na oh ang bata in town nasa kilid. Oh my God, yung helmet no ng parents na yung mga helmet pero ang bata in town pagit sila sa kilid. It's not good. Ayaw. Hindi kayo natas disgrasya. So, it's very dangerous yun, no? Look at that, dapat tagamay ba? Hmm? It's very dangerous yun. Laway kayo. As in, yun. Hindi na pwede, no? Moto guys, no? It's very dangerous yun, no? Especially if you're riding a motorcycle. Even na namoy helmet, 50-50 gihapon ang kuha na, no? And to think guys no, ang inahan dako ra ba sa itong inahan and then yung gikugos yung anak plus ang driver sa tubangan yan, napay 3 sikat sa tubangan ay hasta kalmahan tawahan na ito'y sikat na nasa highway mga agi. Oh, napaisa eh. Sao naman eh ay. Go na. Okay. Palit lang yung turn, no?
Day 2.
Manang vacation is over. So back to work na punta. Anyway, Thursday naman sa doon, no? And then tomorrow is Friday, sus weekend na po. And then by the way, Saturday we're going to Moalboal summer outing sa akong wife na company, no? So we will go to Moalboal. Excited na king kids, excited na sad ko kay wala ko yun naon hindi bakasyon na yun. By the way mo, I have to buy kuan ka na bitong cream bitaw para sa skin sa akong anak. Na-mention man na ako before sa akong vlog last year. So now I'm planning to buy again cause ni-request ang akong dalagita na anak. Manawag ko ng container. Dili ba na delikado kasi nagtakilid yun siya. So may tip ayag yung tapad ng mga ingani mga containerized bitaw na mga van containerized na 10-wheeler ba ayag yung tapad na nakisimbak ko lang oroy matumba tiwas. I'm here at Ayala, that's Ayala Center Cebu, and there's lots of building here and over there and over here. So yeah, by the way I think this is a condo connected to this Ayala Center's mall. So it's like it's like Makati in Manila, no? So there are plenty of buildings. So go Power Ranger, go Power Ranger. There's another construction here. This is Kuan Gyapon sa Ayala Gyapon, no? So na guys. So going there na ha. And see you later. Superstar.